How to turn off group requests notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off group requests notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines and stuff, and then click settings. Then just click notifications and direct messages and calls, and here you will find it. Here you will find group requests. Now just if you want to turn this off, all you need to do is just select it, first one here, off, and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.